I thought to myself, what can I do with the leftover poached chicken that I made yesterday? And I thought about it. Well, I have enough of chicken sandwich, and then I remember I haven't made this dish for a long time. So I'm gonna show you how to make this very simple dish, making use of the leftover poached chicken. Well, I'm gonna do it at the dining table because it doesn't require any cooking. This is where I'm going to put everything together for this very simple traditional Chinese dish. What we need is some poached chicken, which I have here that I cooked yesterday, and a few other ingredients, very simple. These are all the ingredients that we will need to use, put everything together for this very simple chicken dish. I'm just going to use this as garnishing. Just going to put it here. So the next thing I want to do is to dice up my chili as well. I'm going to remove the seeds inside. I won't be using all the chili. I'm just going to use a little bit to garnish. So with the cucumber, what we want to do is we want to cut it diagonally, stack up a few slices, and just cut it very thinly. So I'm going to move my chopping board away and place the cucumber in here. The cucumber will add some freshness to this very spicy chicken dish. So what I'm doing next is to shred the chicken. In my next video, I'll show you how I poach my chicken, and then what I'll do next is to slice it and to shred it with a knife. Traditionally, this chicken is called bang chicken. The reason is they use a wooden rod and they will smash the chicken, and then they'll pull the chicken and shred the chicken. Okay, but what I'll do is I'm going to use the knife. And this is all the chicken I'm going to do for now. And what I'm going to do now is to put the chicken to sit on top of the bed of cucumber. Now the next thing I want to do is to make the dressing or the sauce to go on top of it. So I'll move this aside. Oops. Pick this up. I'm gonna make the sauce. 2 tablespoons of the sesame paste. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of light soy, 1 tablespoon of black vinegar. I'm going to give it a stir first to mix it through. And now it's becoming almost quite thick. The next thing I want to do is I want to add 1 tablespoon of chili oil, and I also want to add 1 teaspoon of chili paste. This is really nice and crunchy. So I'm gonna mix this through. Now if it's too thick like this, it's way too thick, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add a little bit of water. The other thing I want to add is the sugar. I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of spring onions, a little bit of chili. Lastly, This is toasted sesame seeds. Bang bang chicken, which is poached chicken with cucumber and dressed with sesame paste with chili oil. Bang bang chicken is that simple to make at home, making use of the poached chicken and a cucumber to add the freshness and coolness to the dish. It helps to balance the spiciness and the sourness of the dressing that goes on top of the chicken. Next week, I'm gonna show you how I poach my chicken. So remember to tune in to my YouTube channel. If you enjoy watching my video, remember to subscribe and share with your friends and family. I'm Victor Koo. Thanks for watching and see you next week.